Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where the car lost control and crashed into the front of the truck, causing severe damage, to the situation where the truck failed to maintain a safe distance and rear-ended the car, causing severe damage. This video is created for educational purposes, and it contains serious incidents involving trucks and cars, highlighting the dangers of high-speed driving and the importance of traffic safety measures. It also emphasizes the significance of road safety. Let's get it on. Well, minimize the use of brakes within the curve. Hard braking during a curve can lead to loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the curve. A truck struggles to ascend steep hill with oversized load, that leaving driver in a precarious situation. Who can help him? This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. Oh no, he did not notice that. The traffic in front of him is stopped and reacts delayed. At least there were no injuries. Oh my, remember folks, follow the manufacturer's recommendation for tire rotation and balancing to promote even wear and extend a tire life. Bro, make steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. Oh my, this driver is definitely distracted. Always pay attention and stay focused on the road. Everyone. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously because any time can be a hydroplane moment. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh my God, the driver is probably dozing off while driving. Always stay focused and alert when driving. Everyone. I think in this case, it is necessary to keep a safe distance, instead of blaming anyone who is wrong. In the incident involved due to overcorrection, right? Be careful, everyone. Always inspect the cargo before departure to ensure that it is properly loaded, balanced, and secured, guys. Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to break the alert, folks. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.